The needle didn't just drift. It snapped sideways and stayed there. In western Russia, near the city of Kursk, surveyors noticed this more than a century ago. Compasses placed on stable ground refused to point north. Some spun slowly. Others locked in a direction that disagreed with every map. The behavior was repeatable. It wasn't weather. It wasn't equipment failure. It happened again the next day, and the day after that, across hundreds of kilometers. By the early 1900s, Russian geologists began documenting the region. Instruments that relied on Earth's magnetic field produced conflicting readings within short distances. Two compasses placed a few meters apart could disagree by several degrees. Navigational tools calibrated elsewhere behaved incorrectly here, even when newly tested. The area came to be known as the Kursk Magnetic Anomaly. Modern measurements show the magnetic intensity in this region is among the strongest recorded on the planet's surface. Aircraft instruments passing overhead have required manual correction. Geological surveys log distortions that do not taper smoothly, but spike and drop without warning. Satellites mapping Earth's magnetic field still mark the region as an irregularity that does not fit clean models. What makes it unsettling is not that compasses fail, but how localized the failure is. Step outside the zone and the needle behaves normally. Step back in and north shifts again. There are records of mining operations where orientation systems had to be recalibrated daily. Reports from the Cold War era note discrepancies between ground-based navigation and aerial readings, logged quietly and archived. The anomaly does not move quickly. It does not announce itself. It simply sits there, bending a fundamental reference humans rely on to understand direction. If a compass can be wrong in one place on Earth, without warning, without visible cause, then north is not as fixed as it feels. And this region is still there, quietly pulling the needle away from where it's supposed to point.